Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Here's the headline for today. Breaking news. The declaration of Yoruba Nation will take place very soon. Professor Banji Akintoye said. So before I give you the full details of what Professor Banji Akintoye has said to the Yoruba Nation people, do not forget to like this video channel. For those who have not subscribed yet, click on the red button, subscribe to get more of this news. Now here's the details of the gist for today. The mega rally is coming very soon, Professor Banji Akintoye says. He said that Igboho will come into Nigeria with style. He said Igboho is prepared for anything that will happen. That he is not scared and he will not be taken by surprise. That they know everything that Nigeria government are planning for them. Because they already know that when they come, the government will not just let them take what belongs to them. They will take it with a fight. He said nothing will happen. The things people have been saying is being said to put fear in the heart of the Yoruba people. He said the people of Yoruba are ready for them. They have chosen to perish. They have chosen to commit a national suicide. This was the same word that Professor Banji Akintoye said. He said the people of Yoruba have chosen to commit a national suicide if at least they will get their freedom and independence from this bondage they find themselves in. He said that we are not going to run away from them. We're not going to run away from the people from the Nigerian government. The Yorubas are ready to defend and protect their parents. He said the Yoruba people have decided that they have decided and no going back. Yes, they've decided, they've made up their mind and they're not going to change it. Nothing will make them change it. He said when the rally day is declared, when the day is set, he's appealing to Yorubas to come out, please. Let them not just sit in their houses. He said we can see the Peter Obi supporters. It was not like a campaign, just independence, and we saw how they came out in different states of Nigeria. The Yorubas should not now be doing anyhow. They should all come out and support themselves. He said, please do not allow what people are saying scare you. Because we've heard that some people are saying that Professor Banji Akintoye said that the rally will take place after the election. He said he never said any of that. He never said anything. Anybody that's saying that person is lying on his head. Why will he say that the rally will take place after the election? No. The rally is now. It's now. And I keep on saying that it's going to take place very soon. It's going to take place very, very soon. You know, the people of Yoruba Nation wrote a letter to United Nations telling them of the fact that they want to leave Nigeria. They want to gain their independence from Nigeria. And then the United Nations asked them to write a letter to the federal government of Nigeria. They wrote the letter like 3 times to President Muhammadu Buhari. But he didn't reply. He didn't even do as if he read the letter. He didn't say anything. He paid deaf ears to what they said. But the Yorubas are saying that they are going to let them know that it is their civil right to ask for freedom. That is why the mega rally will take place. To let the federal government know that they are not joking about it. Because it seems as if as we wrote the letter, it seems as if only one sharing. Is it because Igbos are doing that? That's why they not still want to do their own. So the Yorubas are doing the mega rally to show that they are not joking at all. They are coming out with full force. He said after the mega rally, the next point of action is to declare Yoruba Nation. Immediately after the mega rally, the next action is to declare Yoruba Nation. Nothing will stop them. So let's look at the reaction of people towards what Professor Banji Akintoye said. Ajibola Folorunsho said, no war, no freedom, no event, no story. Yorubas they are fully ready for revolution now. Yorubas are ready to use our forefathers' charm to fight. I know my age now. Nigeria government has wasted most of my age. Aww. God help us. Awe Komi said, it will be a welcome development if there will be a rally. Truly, I wish you all Yoruba nation well. Laura Ade said, Yoruba nation now. Up, Yoruba nation. Yeah. Faith said, we Yorubas are ready. I don't care if I die. I must come out on that rally day. If I die on that day, I believe that I die to free my generation from this wicked country called Nigeria. So touching. Ajoke Ade Chitu said, let us go back home. Our forefathers' inheritance, land, Yoruba nations now forever. We are ready to declare our country. Let's be careful of the way we write, please. Or we need to read it. Okay, so let's keep that. Somewhere said Yoruba nation for real. Yeah. Olawole said, already approved, sir. No going back still. Yoruba nation now. Kemo Blonsky said, we can't wait. Jakamo, let's know the time. I give it to you, Chief Sunday Igboho Adeyemo. Okay. Samuel Oluwashino said, I know what we have planned concerning Yoruba Nation rally. It's may possible Nigerian government uses army and soldier to tackle us with gun and hot water on that day. He said, I know Buhari have plans concerning Yoruba Nation rally. It may be possible that the Nigerian government uses army and soldier to tackle us with gun and hot water on that day, but I know God is on our side. Wow, I love this more. Wow, thank you so much, sir. William said, Lord Lugard caused this out of greed. So this person is blaming the bondage Yorubas found themselves in now on Lord Lugard. He's saying that it was one that caused all these things that happened. Llnp Bid said, please just go ahead on Yoruba Nation. God is on our side. Keep all the copies of letter written to the president. Okay. So these are this is what the people are saying. They are reacting to what Professor Banji Akintoye said. So what's your take on this rally that's going to come up? And I don't know, are you scared? Because we know for sure that the Nigerian government will not take it lightly with the people. And Yorubas too, they're not going to take it lightly with the Nigerian government if they do anyhow. Some people are vouched that they're going to die. It is for them to die so that the nation will be free. They are ready to die. So what's your reaction to this? Some people are scared that, what would they do? Some people are like, whoa, they should do anything, they should bring anything, we're coming for them. So what's your own reaction to this? I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video channel. For those who haven't subscribed yet, click on the red button, subscribe to get more of this news. Thank you so much for your time. God bless.